Carbon monoxide is known as a silent killer. Some people in Davenport are trying to do something about it. Numbers from the Centers for Disease Control indicate it kills more than 400 people a year. The local response came after 42-year-old Kevin Soppe died at home in February. His mother and Davenport bar owners are warning people about the danger. Local 4's Leah Sims reports they raised money to buy carbon monoxide detectors for anyone who needs one.
The last thing I ever thought would be carbon monoxide poisoning.
It's been about 2 months since Judy Soppe last hugged her son, Kevin Soppe, who died back in February due to carbon monoxide poisoning.
The night before, he had told us he was having trouble with his boiler furnace, but I had no idea. I didn't even think about carbon monoxide.
Now Soppe's story is being used to educate the community of the deadly gas. In honor of Kevin Soppe, local bars around the Davenport community are coming together to raise money in buckets like these to raise awareness about carbon monoxide poisoning.
He did a lot of charity work. He did a lot of things. He'd give you his shirt off of his back if he needed it, so it's a loss.
A loss that owner of Off Point Pub says was unfortunate and untimely. Now they want to do what they can to help prevent this from happening to anyone else.
It's a silent killer. I mean, you really don't know what's going on until it's too late. We raised awareness by handing out flyers, raising some funds, which Ace Heyman's Hardware helped us out in purchasing some carbon monoxide detectors, and we just gave them out to anybody that needed them.
Soppe's mother now even adding a detector to her home.
My God, you're talking your life here.
She says this type of tragedy can be avoided by installing a detector.
I wish this wasn't the way that people are doing it, but I'm so glad that they are now. And it's going to save lives. I know it is.
Soppe saying she is still learning the impact her son made.
I know what a great guy he was, but to hear it from everybody else really helps.
Leah Sims, Local 4 News.
Organizers gave everything that was left over to the fire department to hand out to